NIO's L90 pre-order Soar, set to transform electric large SUV market. Buckle up because NIO is shaking up the market in a big way. Recently, investors have been buzzing as NIO's stock experienced an almost 6% surge during Monday's trading session. But here's where it gets controversial. The impressive start with pre-orders for NIO's new L90 electric SUV, which is clearly sparking strong interest. On July 20th, NIO's founder, Li Bin, revealed that even into the second weekend after launching pre-orders, customer visits to their stores remained robust. To enhance the buyer experience, NIO has strategically placed its display vehicles at major shopping malls nationwide. And this is the part most people miss. Next week, every store will receive L90 test drive vehicles, giving potential customers an up-close feel of this advanced three-row SUV. The L90 is being positioned as a family-friendly, fully electric SUV that not only offers substantial value, but also stands out due to its spacious interior, impressive power, and an abundance of intelligent features. According to Bauckham International, the price point for the L90 is highly competitive, especially when compared to similar models in the market. With its official launch scheduled for the end of July and deliveries kicking off in August, many expect that the L90 will dramatically redefine the pure electric large SUV segment by striking an ideal balance between technology, space, and affordability. This detailed breakdown is provided for informational and educational purposes only, and should not be taken as investment advice related to FUDU. While we strive to maintain high standards of truthfulness, accuracy, and originality in our reports, we cannot guarantee complete accuracy. What do you think about NIO's bold move with the L90? Could this new approach set a trend in the electric SUV market, or are there hidden challenges in balancing cost, space, and performance? Share your thoughts and join the discussion. Onvo L90 SUV, leaked specs, battery options, and launch details. Onvo's L90 specifications unveiled before official launch. 60 kWh battery confirmed. Exciting news is on the horizon for electric vehicle enthusiasts. Onvo, a sub-brand of NIO, is gearing up to launch its second model, the L90 SUV, and fresh details have emerged from a leak on Weibo. This leak reveals crucial information about the updated trim levels, driving range, and energy consumption of this highly anticipated vehicle. In addition to the specifications, a separate blogger has shared official images showcasing two new exterior color options for the L90, which is part of NIO's family-oriented sub-brand. These leaks come just a week ahead of the SUV's official launch, building anticipation among potential buyers. The leaked specifications indicate that the L90 will be available in both rear-wheel drive (RWD) and all-wheel drive (AWD) configurations. This six-seater SUV will be offered in three distinct versions: Pro, Max, and Ultra. The Pro and Max trims will feature RWD, while the Ultra version will come equipped with AWD. Notably, both the Max and Ultra trims will include air suspension, enhancing ride comfort and handling. Previously, Onvo had only disclosed that the L90 would come standard with an 85 kWh battery. However, the latest leak, shared by a user named Shilin on the Chinese platform Stuxing, reveals that a more affordable 60 kWh battery option will also be available. This smaller battery will not only lower the initial purchase price for customers, but will also make renting through NIO's battery subscription program more economical. For context, when customers ordered Onvo's debut model, the 5-seat L60 SUV, opting for the larger 85 kWh battery resulted in a price increase of 29,000 yuan, approximately $4,040. The L90 Pro and L90 Max models are expected to have comparable range and energy consumption rates. When equipped with the 60 kWh battery, the RWD versions will achieve a CLTC range of approximately 425 to 450 kilometers, about 265 to 280 miles. In contrast, the 85 kilowatt-hour battery will extend the range to between 575 and 605 kilometers, around 360 to 375 miles, with energy consumption rates ranging from 14.5 to 15.5 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. For the Max AWD variant, energy consumption will be slightly higher, ranging from 15.5 to 15.9 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. With the 60 kilowatt-hour battery, this version can cover 410 to 425 kilometers, approximately 255 to 265 miles, while the 85 kilowatt-hour pack allows for a range of 550 to 570 kilometers, about 340 to 355 miles. According to NIO, the L90 will be available in a single-motor configuration powered by a 340 kilowatts motor, or as a dual-motor setup combining a 100 kilowatts and a 340 kilowatts motor for a total output of 440 kilowatts. Like other models in the NIO lineup, the L90 will reach a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. The 6-seat version of the L90, alongside a confirmed 5-seat variant, boasts a CLTC range of up to 605 kilometers. The vehicle's dimensions are impressive, measuring 5,145 millimeters in length, 1,998 millimeters in width, and up to 1,786 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 3,110 millimeters. During a pre-launch event, Onvo showcased 5 exterior colors for the new SUV. However, recent leaks from Weibo user indicate that the L90 will also be available in striking deep red and dark blue options. The official launch is anticipated by the end of the month, with deliveries expected to commence in August, although a specific date has yet to be announced. As competition intensifies in the 6-seat SUV market, Tesla recently unveiled its Model YL, a new 3-row variant of its best-selling model. This new version, featuring a longer wheelbase, was highlighted in the latest catalog from China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, MIT. Several Chinese automakers are also entering the fray, either launching or preparing to launch 6-seater models this year, underscoring a growing emphasis on family-oriented vehicles. In addition to the Onvo L90, Li Auto has introduced its Li i8 SUV, with pre-orders starting last week. The estimated price range for the Li i8 is between 350,000 and 400,000 yuan, approximately $48,750 to $55,700, which is about 25% higher than the Onvo L90's pricing. Onvo L90, 3-row SUV launching July 31st. Full details. The electric SUV market is heating up with a high-stakes showdown between NIO's Onvo and Li Auto, but which brand will win over Chinese families? Onvo will officially launch its 3-row L90 SUV on July 31st, with deliveries kicking off August 1st. This model isn't just another electric vehicle. It's built on NIO's advanced NT 3.0 platform and packs game-changing tech like a 900V high-voltage architecture and battery swap capability. Here's where it gets interesting. Leak specs reveal 2 battery options beyond the initially announced 85 kWh pack, a 60 kWh standard range battery, and an ultra-trim with AWD and air suspension. Prices start at 279,900 yuan for purchase, or 193,900 yuan with battery rental. But here's the twist. Li Auto is racing to challenge Onvo, with its i8 SUV launching just 2 days earlier on July 29th. Priced 25% higher at 350,000 to 400,000 yuan, this rivalry could reshape the entire segment. The L90 comes loaded with impressive specs, up to 605 km CLTC range, multiple configurations, RWD/AWD, and 3 trim levels. Energy efficiency ranges between 14.5 to 15.9 kWh/100 km depending on configuration. Measuring 5,145 mm long with a 3,110 mm wheelbase, it offers both 5 and 6-seat variants. Controversially, NIO recently denied allegations that Onvo orchestrated smear campaigns against rivals, calling the claims defamatory and threatening legal action. Meanwhile, pre-orders tell a promising story. Morgan Stanley reports 30,000 to 35,000 reservations in just 4 days. As dealerships receive test drive units this week and new color options surface online, one question remains. Will this family-focused SUV live up to its sub-RMB 300K segment killer hype? Share your predictions below.